Hello friends, welcome to Top Scholars. Today we are going to study how to add on the number line by counting forward. How to add numbers by counting forward. So we have to add, for example, 4 plus 5. Now let us write this 4 and 5 on a number line. So we have a number line where we have written numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let us mark the first number, that is 4, because we have to add 5 in 4. Now 4 and 5 both are single digit numbers. So their place is ones, or we say units. Correct? So we have ones, 4 and 5. The first number is 4. We have to do the addition. So we start at 4. We have to add 5. So we count 5 times forward. So let us begin. So first time, second, third, fourth. We have to count till 5. So let us do one more time. That is 5. Which number have we reached here, my dear students? We have reached the number 9. Hence, the addition of 4 and 5, that is 4 plus 5, gives the answer 9. Correct? So I can write 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So my dear students, have you understood how to do addition by counting forward on a number line? Let's take one example. So we have to add 2 plus 6. So let us first draw the number line. Then we have 2 and 6 both under units place or ones place. And we have to do the addition. So first we will mark the first number, that is 2. We start at 2 on the number line. How many do we have to add? We have to add 6. So we have to count 6 times forward. Let us begin. We will be counting 6 times. So start. 1, first time. Second time. Third time. Fourth. Fifth. And one more time. That is 6. So have we counted 6 forward? Yes, we have. And we have reached the number 8. So my dear students, we have added 2 plus 6 to get the answer 8. Thus, I can write 2 plus 6 is equal to 8.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.